Well, students, the last topic we covered was regarding the applications of chemical change. Two of these we had discussed: use of hydrocarbons as fuel and use of fertilizers in agriculture. These two applications are example of chemical change. Now we shall be covering how does vegetable oil change into fat. This is one of the very important applications of chemical change and is very widely used throughout the world. Vegetable oil is liquid, whereas when it gets converted into solid fat, which we commonly call ghee, is a chemical change and is an application of the chemical change. Vegetable oil changes through a process known as hydrogenation, in which hydrogen gas is passed through vegetable oil in the presence of liquor. So you have vegetable oil, आपके पास जो तेल होता है उसके थ्रू उसमें से हाइड्रोजन गैस को गुजारा जाता है in the presence of nickel. उसमें nickel as a catalyst उसमें इस्तेमाल होता है, and this is how it gets converted into solid fat, which we call vanaspati ghee. This process is called hydrogenation, and a very large amount of heat is used to bring about this chemical change. A very important application of the chemical change is conversion of vegetable oil into fat. Margarine, you must have heard about this word also. Margarine is also the result of a chemical change, and margarine is a mixture of hydrogenated vegetable oil. It is also vegetable oil and skimmed milk. यानी वो वाला दूध जिसमें से क्रीम उठा रही है, skimmed milk. In hydrogenation, hydrogen is passed through vegetable oil. Margarine is used, and this is how you get margarine. Margarine is a kind of butter, and it is used in place of butter. Another application, is plastics of chemical change. Plastics are the result of chemical changes. Plastic is any material. What is a plastic? It is any material that can be molded into any form. जिसको मुख्तलिफ शक्लें दी जा सकती हैं. Plastics are very large molecules made from many smaller molecules called monomers. Plastics क्या होता है? ये बड़े large molecules होते हैं जिनको छोटे molecules से monomers से बनाया जाता है. That is why plastics are called polymers. Plastics का दूसरा नाम polymers है. Long molecules, what are polymers? And long molecules made from smaller molecules. और monomers किसे कहते हैं? Are obtained from crude oil. Crude oil यानी वो fossil fuel, वो जमीन में से तेल निकाला जाता है, इसको crude oil बोलते हैं, और ये crude oil से monomers बनाए जाते हैं. Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, इसको PVC कहते हैं, are also examples of plastics. So plastic is another application of a chemical change. Plastics को heat करके, by heating plastics they can be molded into any shape. Toys बनाने के लिए, cups बनाने के लिए, utensils बनाने के लिए. Plastics do not decay. Plastics का one of the big disadvantage of plastic is that it does not decay. ये अपने आप को खुद ब खुद है वो खत्म नहीं करता, तबाह नहीं होता. Therefore it is a cause of pollution. यानी अगर कोई प्लास्टिक की प्लेट आपके पास पड़ी हुई है तो वो कभी खुद ब खुद खत्म नहीं होगी, चाहे जमीन में दफन करो चाहे किधर हो, कई हजार साल तक भी it will never decay. And that is why it is a cause for pollution. But you can recycle plastics. Recycling is the best way to deal with plastic pollution. So this was the topic that we covered about plastics. Now we come to another topic, which is reversible and irreversible change. But before I go to the next one, I will again come back to this. What are the applications of chemical change? 1. Hydrocarbons are used as fuels. 2. Fertilizers are used as in agriculture, which is a chemical change. and fertilizers obtained from fossil fuels. Hybrid vegetable oil is changed into fat and margarine is used. These are the chemical changes and the application of chemical changes. Another is plastic. Plastics क्या होते हैं? They are the result of chemical changes. And plastic is any material that can be molded into any form. They are made from monomers, बेशुमार मिलाकर polymers, and they are used for making different utensils, cups. And